I don't know who Dumbledore is, but okay.
What's up, everybody? OG here. Just heading into town. Whoa, it is bright out here. So, met a lot of cool people online here last week or so. I appreciate all my new subscribers and all my new friends. This is for one of my OG friends, Mama Q. Getting ready to take this into the town, get it sent off. Hopefully the good folks at the post office will help me finish wrapping that up, because I don't know if I got it on there very good, but it's a little chilly today. Not too bad. Walk around here for just a second. Man, looks like my little bush is already starting to bud out a little bit. Look at that. It's like a rainforest around here. Dobby, you got your coat on. I'll be back in just a minute, bud. It's my old dog, Dobby. Oh, there's little fat Tucker. Yeah. Alright, guys, it's a good sunny day here in Arkansas. It's just a touch chilly. Not too bad. I'm heading into town. This is a live stream I did earlier today. It is another one of my landscapes. And another one of those kind of twilight landscapes I'm doing. I really like those. That sunset kind of look to it. And I appreciate everybody that came by, checked it out. Until the next video. OG-san out. I just got out of the post office, and it's on its way there, Mama Q. They said it should be there by Monday. We'll see. And forgive me when you go to open that thing, because I had to tape the crap out of it. So it's on the way. Hope you enjoy it. And while you're cutting all that tape off and cussing me, just remember, Ochi-san's got your back. Later.